Hello guys! Walking with me, Griffin Fidelio. I'm currently in city of Shanghai, China. Come with me for a 10 minutes walk around the city and I will explain everything I know about Shanghai. If you like my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. Shanghai is China's largest city and a global financial center. It's a city that blends the old and the new with traditional Chinese gardens and colonial era buildings alongside futuristic skyscrapers. Here are some of the things Shanghai is famous for. The Bund, a famed waterfront promenade lined with colonial era buildings. The Pudong district. This district is home to Shanghai's futuristic skyline, including the Oriental Pearl TV Tower and the Shanghai Tower. Yu Garden, a sprawling traditional garden with pavilions, towers, and ponds. Shanghai's history stretches back over 1,000 years, mirroring the development of modern China itself. Originally a small agricultural village, Shanghai blossomed into a major trading port during the late Qing dynasty, 1644 to 1912. The city's transformation accelerated in the 19th century after the Opium Wars, when Western powers carved out concessions in Shanghai, effectively making it a foreign-controlled city. This period of foreign dominance fueled Shanghai's growth as a commercial and financial hub. But it also sowed the seeds of resentment among the Chinese people. Shanghai played a significant role in China's 20th century revolutions. The city was a hotbed of revolutionary activity, and it was eventually liberated by the Communist Party in 1949. Since then, Shanghai has undergone another transformation, emerging as China's economic powerhouse and a leading global city. Today, Shanghai is a vibrant metropolis that blends its rich history with a modern cosmopolitan feel. Shanghai's demographics reflect its status as a major metropolis and global city. Here's a quick breakdown. Population. With over 24 million permanent residents, Shanghai is one of the world's most populous cities. Ethnicity. The vast majority, over 98% of Shanghai's residents are Han Chinese. However, the city also has a growing minority population. Migrants. Due to its economic opportunities, Shanghai attracts a large number of migrants from other parts of China. Around 39% of the city's population are long-term migrants. Shanghai is a powerhouse of the Chinese economy, consistently ranking as the country's leading industrial and financial center. Its success stems from a unique blend of factors. Strategic location. Situated on the east coast of China, Shanghai boasts the world's busiest container port, facilitating trade and commerce. Manufacturing hub. For decades, Shanghai has been a leader in Chinese manufacturing, producing everything from textiles and garments to automobiles and high-tech electronics. Financial center. The city is home to the Shanghai Stock Exchange and a thriving financial services sector, making it a key player in global finance. Innovation and technology. Shanghai is a hub for research and development, fostering innovation in various sectors like artificial intelligence and biomedicine. Shanghai cuisine, also known as Cuisine, is a popular style of Chinese food. It's known for its emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients and lighter broths compared to other regional Chinese cuisines. Here are some of the must-try dishes in Shanghai. Xiaolongbao, soup dumplings. These delicate parcels of dough are filled with flavorful broth and minced pork. Shanghai hairy crab. This seasonal delicacy is known for its rich and creamy roe. Smoked fish slices. This dish features freshwater fish cured to have a smoky flavor. Beggar's chicken. Chicken marinated in spices and wrapped in lotus leaves before being baked or steamed in clay. Shanghai's culture is a fascinating blend of traditional Chinese influences and Western modernity, earning it the nickname, the Paris of the East. Here's a glimpse into what makes Shanghai culture unique. Hai culture. This distinct cultural identity emerged from the city's historical role as a major port and meeting point between East and West. It's reflected in Shanghainese cuisine, fashion, and even architecture. Art and literature. Shanghai has a thriving art scene, with renowned museums like the Shanghai Museum and a rich literary heritage. Fashion and entertainment. The city is a trendsetter in China, known for its cutting-edge fashion scene and vibrant nightlife. Tea culture. Tea houses are a popular social hub in Shanghai, offering a place to relax, socialize, and enjoy a cup of tea. Traditional festivals. Shanghai celebrates traditional Chinese festivals like Spring Festival and Dragon Boat Festival with much enthusiasm. Shanghai is a major center for commodity trading in China. Here are some of the top commodities traded in Shanghai. Crude oil. China is the world's largest importer of crude oil, and Shanghai is a key trading hub for this essential commodity. The Shanghai Futures Exchange, SHFA, offers crude oil futures contracts, allowing businesses to hedge against price fluctuations. Copper. China is also the world's largest consumer of copper, and Shanghai plays a vital role in copper trading. The SHFA offers copper futures contracts, facilitating price discovery and risk management for copper producers and consumers. Steel rebar. Steel rebar is a vital material in construction, and Shanghai is a major trading center for this commodity. The SHFA offers steel rebar futures contracts, providing a platform for steel producers and construction companies to manage price risks. Soybeans. China is the world's largest importer of soybeans, and Shanghai is a key trading hub for this agricultural commodity. The SHFA offers soybean futures contracts, enabling businesses to hedge against price volatility in the soybean market. These are just a few of the many commodities traded in Shanghai. The city's status as a global financial center and major import hub makes it a vital player in the global commodity trading landscape. Shanghai boasts several impressive world records, showcasing its architectural marvels and culinary feats. Highest restaurant in a building, the Heavenly Jin Restaurant, perched at a staggering 536 meters within the Shanghai Tower, holds the Guinness World Record for the highest restaurant in a building. World's furthest traveling single elevator, the Shanghai Tower also houses the world's furthest traveling single elevator, traversing a distance of 578.5 meters, 1,098 hopatons. Second tallest building, standing tall at 632 meters, the Shanghai Tower is the second tallest building globally, only surpassed by Dubai's Burj Khalifa. Shares the record for highest observation deck. The Shanghai Tower, along with the Ping An Finance Center, shares the record for the world's highest observation deck within a building or structure, offering breathtaking views from a height of 562 meters. I suppose we are done for today, walking with Griffin. I appreciate you seeing my stroll about Shanghai. On my next walk, I'll see you in other city.